This is how you take care of the eyes in general. Clean your sinuses, very important. I cannot stress that enough. Sometimes just cleaning your sinuses on a regular basis can make a difference in your eyesight. So massage your head, okay? Push blood flow there. You want to use circulation tincture on my website, the neurological tincture. Why? Because it pushes blood flow here. Very important. Next, use the eyesight tincture on my website. It has herbs like bilberry, eye bright, okay, red raspberry, golden seal. You can get those herbs, boil it, make an eye wash, wash your eyes, wash it twice a day. It removes the excess mucus and removes the it boosts circulation of blood to the eye. Okay, eye floaters as mucus strands. It can also mean eyes are being weakened or want to detach, so you want to fix it, like at the back, that is. Okay, so clean your bowels, very important. Your eyes and your bowels connected. You want to use enemas, use help for your bowels. You want to also work on your liver, clean your liver up. If you don't have a strong liver, eyes get affected as well. But more importantly, work on your kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels. Very important. The Fabulous 5. You want to make sure you use that. Okay?